Hello grade 6. Today we're gonna start with unit 8 lesson 5 and 6, 7 and 8. It's all about the Nazca Valley. So here we are in the Nazca Valley, and those are the Nazca people. It seems like they are ancient, they are old, and here we have the Nazca lines, which is a mystery. Now first let's read the words. Here we have number one, sketch. Sketch, it's a noun, it means drawing. Drawing, this is a sketch. Number two, figure. Figure, it means a shape. Shape, these are figures. Number three, soil. Soil, it means earth or ground. You can plant in the soil. Underneath, it means under. A blue blouse underneath the jacket would look nice. This is underneath or under. Cleared away, it means moved away or clean when dinner was done, and cleared away, Lois made some tea. Climate, it's the weather condition in some place or some time. This is climate. Climate. Here we have quarry. Quarry, place where they take stones from. This is a place where they take stones from. And here we have platform, something like a stage. I can say that the president was on the platform. And the last one here is erupt. Erupt for the volcano. The volcano erupts. The volcano explodes. It means it becomes active. Become active. Now let's go to know about the Nazca lines. Who were the Nazca? What are the Nazca lines, and what did the Nazca draw pictures of? Let's see what's happening in here.
Listening 65. Listen and read.
The Nazca Lines. In this interview, historian Michael Jones talks about the mystery of the Nazca Lines. Michael Jones has studied the Nazca Lines for many years.
1.
The Nazca were an ancient people that lived in Peru, in South America, about 2,000 years ago. The people are well known for creating the Nazca Lines. The Nazca Lines are famous all over the world, and they can still be seen clearly and easily today.
2.
They are giant sketches which the Nazca people drew in the desert in the Nazca Valley. Some of the drawings are just long, straight lines, but there were other drawings too.
3.
No, they also drew birds, animals and figures. For example, there's a monkey, a giant condor, which is a type of bird, and a huge spider. There's also a human, which has a big round head and is known as the astronaut. We don't know why they drew these objects.
4.
The desert in the Nazca Valley is made of dark red stones and soil. Underneath, there is a lighter yellow soil. The Nazca cleared away the top to show the lighter colour. The area has a very dry climate, and there is little wind. Archaeologists say this is why the drawings were able to survive.
5.
We can't be sure, but it probably took hundreds of years to make so many drawings, and probably hundreds or even thousands of people made them. We don't know exactly why the Nazca people made them, although they were obviously very important because they spent so long making them.
6.
The drawings were first discovered in 1927, when a plane was flying across this part of the desert. What is incredible is that because they are so huge, you can only really see them from the air. Today, people travel in small planes and look down on them. But in those days, how did they see them? It's a mystery.
Yes, it's a mystery. The Nazca line is a mystery. Now let's read what I already highlighted and be sure about you knowing some meanings. The Nazca lines were an ancient. We already said that ancient means very old, very old. And here we have known for creating. Creating means for making. Create means make. And giant sketches. We already know what the meaning of a sketch, but giant here means very big, very huge. Giant means huge. Okay, here we have the word figures. As we said, figures, it means, yes, it means shapes. And here we have huge, which means giant. Huge and giant. The astronaut is someone who goes to space. And here we have cleared away. Okay, and also we have underneath, it means under. And the climate means the weather in some place. So the weather in the Nazca Valley is a very dry climate. And here we have survive. Survive, it means to be okay and not being damaged. Okay, and the last one here is incredible. Incredible means amazing. Okay, now let's go to see the exercise. You have to pause this video, answer the exercise by yourself, then come again and check your answers. Number 2, verb to move something to a different place because you don't need it. So this is, we will check the words here. It's, sure. Yes, it's a clear away. Now let's go to see number 3. Now the normal weather that a place has. So the normal weather, it's the, here we are. This is where is the word climate? Here we are. We will highlight it. Climate. This is number 3. Number 4, let's see. Adjective, really amazing, difficult to believe. Really amazing or difficult to believe. You already answered it before. It's incredible. Number 5, what is this? Sure, it's a sketch. So where is the word sketch? Here we are. Sketch. We will highlight it. Check your answers. Okay, number 6, what is this? It's figure. It's a figure. We will highlight the word figure. Here we are. Number 7, what is the word? I think it's easy and it's very clear. Is the word soil. And the last one here is underneath or under. Okay, now let's go to answer some questions in our sheet. Here we are. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, I love drawing. I have got a book full of sketches. All these buildings are made from stones from a local quarries. We take the stones from the quarry. After the accident, Mona was the only one to survive. She was very lucky. I spent my time, spend plus verb plus ing, making. Spend time making. A person who studies history is called, it's a historian, someone who studies history. You should put some water on this planet. The space in the pot is dry. The soil in the pot is dry. The president is standing on the platform. After the earthquake, a lot of buildings have been destroyed. It means damaged. Okay, if I don't know the meaning, I'll try to guess. Smoke is coming from the volcano. I think it's going to erupt. Now let's go to see about another mystery. So what is the mystery for today? It's Stonehenge. Stones. Okay, here we are. Let's read about the Stonehenge. What is a Stonehenge? Okay, Stonehenge is it's a very big and mysterious circle of stones in south of England. Okay, so it's a huge and very mysterious circles in the south of England. No one is sure who built Stonehenge or why, but it's thought that people began building it around 5,000 years ago. Some historians think that the circle was built for festivals. Other historians think that it's a kind of ancient old calendar. This is because of the way the sun falls on different stone at different times of the year. Why visit? Stonehenge is an incredible sight. It's amazing because of the size of the stone. The tallest stone is more than 6 meters high. The heaviest stone weighs about 45 tons. The stones came from hundreds of kilometers away. And people didn't have transport then, so how did they move them? No one really knows. Come and visit, see what you think. Now, let's answer our exercise. Lesson 7 and 8. Here we are. Number 1. Stonehenge is a space and mysterious circle. Yeah, it's huge, very big, very big. It's a space that people began building Stonehenge. It's a thought. This is passive. It's a thought. M is R plus BB. The heaviest stone weigh, yes, as it's one stone. Singular always takes S. People didn't have any means of transport, so no one knows how they moved from place to the other. Buckingham Space is a place where the British Queen or King lives. It's a palace. Buckingham Palace. Some space think that the circle of the Stonehenge was built for festival. Some historian, people who study history. The tallest stone is a space than is more than. Stonehenge is an space site. It's an incredible site. Very, very amazing site. Other historians think that the circle of Stonehenge is kind of ancient calendar. It's old calendar, all the way to count days. He's looking for a job. He hasn't found a job yet. So this is present perfect continuous. If you remember it, present perfect continuous, have or has plus been plus bb. So it will be he has been looking for a job, and that's it. He hasn't found it yet. Okay, number 2, he will go fishing next Monday. We use not, it's easy, so it will be we won't go fishing and complete the sentence next Monday. Radwa went out a short time ago. Use just, so make it in the present perfect, so it will be Radwa has just gone out, and that's it. Hazim was sleeping, his brother arrived, so we will put while before the present continuous, so it will be while Hazim was sleeping, comma, his brother arrived. Number 5. My mother finished the housework, then she went to bed. This is until. Again, if you can remember, before until we put the past simple in negative, after until we put the past perfect. So we will start with the past simple or the second action, which is she didn't go to bed until she had finished the housework. And you can put my mother in the first of the sentence instead of she. So it can be my mother didn't go to bed until she had finished the housework. Number 6. She put on the clothes. She bought them yesterday, so it will be, yeah, here we are. Okay. She put on the clothes that she bought, and we will cancel them because we used that yesterday. Full stop. Thank you for listening. Meet you next time. Bye bye.